Hello, my name is Carlota Pradera. I'm a performer, choreographer, and interdisciplinary educator, originally from Spain. I've been living in Miami, Florida since 2001. And for this Sandbox series at the Miami Theater Center, I'm really approaching it and considering to work. Movement is the center of the experimentation and the new work that is going to be created in the space and through the residency. And I'm looking to work with 2 to 3 performers, as well as through a group of musicians. I would like to work with about 2 or 3 musicians as well, and I'm considering to have like what is originally part of a rock band, like a full drum set and maybe some sort of a strings, either a guitar or in this case the opposition of a rock band will be a violin or something more classical, as well as some sort of electronics. And that being the center of the movement exploration, because I have been working for the last year exploring a lot through rhythmic patterns in movement and kind of blending these African-based rhythmic patterns through my own contemporary exploration. And and with it, I will go into these realms of research of movement with these other performers through sound. As well, I have been playing a lot with words in different languages, language, and the meanings in different languages being kind of another thread in the work. In this case, will be between Spanish, Catalan, my original language, was in the northeast of Spain, and English, which is a language that I have adopted, a new language from a new country, which I'm becoming part of it. Um, and then also, so this game of meaning that will create these realms in the work. And in the end, I also have been exploring and really interested on violence. Violence, how violence starts, how violence develops, and what is a possible conclusion to it. Is it destruction or what happens? I will create these games between the performers or these research platforms where we will work with this violence through the body, violence in the space, violence through sound, and what happens with it. And I'm really hoping and I'm aiming for all these to come together and create this evening length work that is going to be a one idea of all these ideas coming together, but it's going to be one work. And I'm really looking for like the hour and 15 minutes, hour and 30 minutes length of a work. All right, I hope you consider my project, and thank you very much for your attention.